Welcome to another episode of Frank Friday. My name is Lee Jackson, and today I want to talk to you about the selling of templated WordPress websites, or in fact, templated websites of any type. Now, one of the common things I am seeing nowadays are companies and individuals who will position themselves as professional web designers and web developers. However, what they are doing is purchasing a theme and then implementing that theme and any relevant plugins for a client. Now, that in itself is not necessarily bad if that's what has been requested. However, my big concern right now is a lot of these people are positioning themselves as delivering this as the design, as the final solution. And they are not necessarily equipped to actually help the client if things go wrong, or actually help the client to produce a website that will actually deliver on what the intention of that website was. So this is leading to many websites that look the same, but it's also leading to a race to the bottom with regards to pricing. Now, if people are positioning themselves as a fully fledged design agency and then implementing themes to keep the costs low, then that's creating a bubble and an issue for agencies like ourselves who have a full team, and we will be building something from scratch and need all of the different team members involved. If there are people somewhere else creating these websites based on themes that are not necessarily focused for that client, then how can companies like us start to compete with that? Well, the fact is that we can't, but on the flip side, we're also getting a bad name as an industry because more and more people are being encouraged through videos, through podcasts, etc., to go ahead and set themselves up as an agency because it's so easy. Just download this theme there and you can become an agency. And I think that is intrinsically wrong, and that people should be focusing on what they are good at and offering that as their skill or as their service to their target audience. So what do you think about this? I think this is a massive issue and it greatly concerns me. Are you actually one of those people who've positioned yourselves as an agency, as it were, but are actually just repurposing themes? Let me know. Talk to me in the comments. Why are you doing that, and how are you different, and how are you ensuring that you're looking after your clients? And also, if you agree with me, then let me know as well. I'd love to know. Hit me up in the comments below. Let's have a conversation about this. How can this be resolved? I'm not saying that implementing a theme for someone is bad if that's what has been agreed to and that's what's been requested. But if people are positioning themselves as experts with the ability to support that client and all of the other stuff that should come with that, and yet they're just repurposing themes, then I think that is intrinsically wrong. It should stop. And we need to talk about this. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Thank you for your time. This is controversial. I didn't mean to upset you if you've done a bit of this yourself, but let's have an open conversation. All right, we'll see you on Monday.